My name's Kim Montour, and my son started with the Boys and Girls Club Kid Stop program last summer.
My name is Danielle Fribley, and my daughter has attended Kid Stop programs run by the Boys and Girls Club since she was in kindergarten.
My name is Cheryl Peterson. We've been going to Kid Stop for roughly about 5 years, and I work at the St. Cloud Hospital. I am a certified cardiovascular technician, and I work in the Heart Center.
We've actually been the front line for COVID questions, so when patients call in, they reach us in my department, and we get them to the nurse or we get them scheduled.
I am a nurse with Childcare, and her dad is a plumber. So throughout the stay-at-home order, we were both working the entire time. It was kind of scary when we first got that stay-at-home order. It was on I think it was a Saturday or a Sunday, and it was starting that next day. Kind of nerve-wracking to try to say, where is our child going to go tomorrow for us to still be able to go to work. Our other daughter goes to a daycare center, which doesn't take school-aged kids. So that, again, nerve-wracking. So I saw something online that Kid Stop was still going to be allowing essential workers to come. And so got signed up for that right away and felt confident in that decision because it was a place that she knew and that we already felt comfortable with.
And I was very nervous that I wouldn't be able to do my job because it's hard to have a job as a single mom, and then also you have to have your child home all day. You have to make sure they get their schoolwork done. The Boys and Girls Club, they emailed me right away to let me know that I could use their services as a healthcare worker. And I'm so grateful for it because, one, I did not have to worry about doing his distance learning. They did it for him. They helped him with it. So he was successful as far as distance learning went. I know a lot of other parents had issues with that. I did not have to worry about that at all or stress about it. So I could really focus on my job during the day. I had no worries about my son. I knew he was in capable hands. I knew he was getting education. So I could focus on being on that front line. And I don't know what I would have done without the services of the Boys and Girls Club during COVID at all.
The Boys and Girls Club's emergency program through the school closure made a huge impact on my family, just knowing that my child is going to be safe. I trust the staff there.
The kids are all wearing masks, and every time I pick up, kids are following that guideline. She was able to get most of her schoolwork done. There was plenty of support there for the students, which I think was important because with being at work all day, it's a lot to get home and do supper and bath and bedtime and a full day of schoolwork.
I also just want to ask you guys if you could please consider making a generous gift to fund the need for supporting the Boys and Girls Club. They're doing everything they can to help support our community during COVID-19. It would be much appreciated.